Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I realised today that I haven't done in a while a kitchen video, me cooking. So I thought I'd do one today, and it might give some ideas to those that are in the January pantry challenge with Sutton Days. What it is, over Christmas we had a leg of lamb. There was too much for us to eat in just the one sitting, so I took the meat off the bone, froze the bone because I might be making stock out of that, and the meat I diced up and put all in this container in the freezer. So I took it out a couple of days ago. Last night I made a lamb curry with half of the cooked lamb, and what's left tonight I'm going to do an egg fried rice with. But I'm going to use up things that need using up. I've got some bits of pineapple, they can go in. I've got a tomato, that's going in. Bell peppers that I buy loads of and freeze up, so I've got some of them out of the freezer. We're doing the curry last night. I cooked rice, but I cooked more rice knowing that I'd use it today. So I've got my rice there and a few spring onions out of my garden. Yay! So I'll get started and show you how I do it. I'll do this type of meal for us whenever we've got the meat that needs using up, or I pull some out of the freezer. And you can do it with chicken, rabbit. I've done it with a rabbit before now. Chicken, rabbit, lamb, pork, any type of meat, or bacon, or no meat at all. It's whatever you want. Use up what you've got. Right, the lamb I've put in the saucepan just to make sure it's cooked all the way through and crispy and browning up nicely. I'm putting me wok on because I can't do it in the saucepan, but no, in the frying pan. I can do it in the frying pan, but there's going to be a bit too much and it'll get cloggy and everything. So I'm going to use my wok. So there's a bit of oil in here, so I'm letting it come up to so it's very hot. I've got 3 eggs in here, they're mixed. It's not quite hot enough. Oh, get there. And basically you're making scrambled eggs now. See how quick they were, and just put it on a plate. Nice size, you use it up in a second. Right. The oil back in. Well, some more oil. This is a combination of brown rice, basmati, brown rice and basmati rice that, as I told you, I cooked yesterday when we had curry. Put it straight in here in my fridge until today. Just let that go around a bit. Now there's pineapple, tomato and the frozen peppers there. I've got some dark soy sauce. Just going to sprinkle some of that on at the moment. May add some more in a minute, may not. I'll have the eggs in now. And I'll put my lemon. Make sure it's all put together. If you haven't got spring onions, use just normal onions and cut them up. I think we do need a bit more soy sauce. Spring onions in. And that's it. It's done. Very quick, very easy. Using up what you've got in. Well, thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.